Good afternoon, everyone. I can see काफी लोग आ चुके हैं. Yes, Saloni ji, the meeting is happening. We will be starting the session in next 2 to 3 minutes at max. We have the Sensex expiry today, and we have a session at 6 p.m. also. So don't forget to join it. Looking fresh, Anuj. Thank you, Mayurji. You are late. No, I am on time. I was just starting it. It's 2:31. So yes, it still counts on time. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Stock for short term environment infra to enter. I can see questions have started pouring in. Mankind Pharma. We'll take all this query as soon as Madhu sir is here. Hi sir, I am Soham Shekhar from Andhra Pradesh. Hi Soham ji from Andhra Pradesh. Good to have you. Hello everyone. Sir, please check SVG and we will definitely take up all these queries. हम बस मधुर sir का wait कर रहे हैं. He is here. Madhu sir, please join the stage. People are eagerly waiting for you. Oroji, both the teams are different. Research 360 team takes care of Research 360 and Stockholm teams takes care of Stockholm. But Stockholm is a part of Research 360 app. Like Stockholm platform is integrated in all the environments of Motilal Oswal. Rise app, Research 360 app, जो हमारी invest.motilaloswal.com website है वहाँ पे it's integrated everywhere. Madhu sir, can you hear me? Oroji, yes, the recommendations are different. That's why, so people coming on any platform receives information uh, from multiple sources. Madhu sir, I hope you can hear me and see me clearly.
Yes, Anuj.
Okay, great, great. We'll start the session in next 1 minute, guys. Madhu sir, you can share your screen meanwhile. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Sensex Expiry with our expert, Mr. Madhur Mundada. Hoping for a profitable session and a knowledgeable one as well. We'll try our best to do this. Meanwhile, agar market हमारा साथ नहीं देगा, तो then we'll take up some stock queries. Feel free to drop in first come first serve basis. We will be taking it up. And next Thursday, we have an exclusive session with Chandan Taparia sir on Nifty monthly expiry. So this is all, and we'll try our best to recover the last session. Madhu sir, you can turn on your camera and then we are good to go.
I hope Anuj screen is visible.
Yes, the screen is visible, you are audible, and you are visible.
Okay. So very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Sensex expiry. Right. So much volatility is there today since the morning first tick itself. The BS have firmly taken the charge this week, particularly dragging Nifty down by over 4%. Right, marking the steep decline of more than 1,000 points. Last week, अगर मैं Friday बात करूँ तो we're at around 24,800, and now अगर आज की बात करूँ तो we're at 23,700, 23,600 mark. So it's more than 1,000 point decline, and that is near to 4%. So bulls appears to be on a kind of oxygen, struggling to defend the key levels as the index faced relentless selling pressure from the upper levels. With every small bounce in the index getting sold, maybe the FIRs or DIs. In last 1 week, even the long short ratio has come down from 44 to 32 level. So again, the FI selling pressure is increased. While the broader market, including the mid cap, small cap, showed some relatively resilience earlier in this week, because हमने कल तक देखा था कि small cap, mid cap stocks में इतना खास selling नहीं था, but today we have seen some kind of correction in the mid cap, small cap, as well as the broader index, because Nifty today is down by almost more than 1%, right? And आज हमने जो जैसे मैंने बताया कि मिड कैप स्मॉल कैप में अभी काफी सेलिंग देखने मिली है. So even the today's session, अगर आज की बात करूं तो we open on a flattish note, but it didn't take long for the bears to flex their muscles because since the first tick itself, we have seen the selling pressure from the morning session itself, and the post lunch, we have seen that bears dominated very firmly because Nifty breached 200 DEMA after that, and we are right now trading the below 200 DEMA on the daily chart of the Nifty. You can see on the chart this line is for the 200 DEMA, and Nifty is trading below that. Look at the candle as well. This is completely a bearish engulfing candle and forming a lower lows since last 5 trading session. Not even the single support is working as of now in this week. We are down by more than 4-5% nearly. So the lack of buying interest even at the lower levels is a clear indication that the bears are holding the upper hand, and the momentum we needed for the option buying is there today. Yesterday's Nifty's expiry was a quite muted one, and today we have seen some action, and that is a post lunch. The action was more fast. We have seen a kind of volatility today. When in morning, Nifty is up by more than 100 point, and after that, the selling was very fast, and from there, even as today's high is around 24,065, and from there we have seen more than the correction of 400 points. We were at the day low, right? For the Sensex, the immediate support is around 78,000. Right now, we are trading at 78,300 level. Immediate support is for Sensex is 78,000. But in the falling market, look at the resistance, not the support, because the market niche aata hai, so focus on the support because the sale on bounce is going on in the market. So in falling market, look at the resistance and not at the support because support काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, right? Talking about the Nifty, 23,500 is the immediate support for the Nifty, and for the upside level, there is a resistance around 24,000. So 24,000 is a very important number to watch out for the Nifty, right? As the view is a bearish, I'm tracking the put side since morning. We're playing with the put buy and the future sale in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty as well, right? So the strikes on my radar are 78,500 and 78,400 put. For the Sensex, the 78,500 put is trading around 220, and the 78,400 put is trading around 130 level. Right? I will share the
So
chart for the
just to confirm once, you are still showing the Nifty chart, right?
Yeah, I'm showing the
Okay,
chart
okay.
of the strike price. So we are tracking 78,500, trading at the 215 level. Look at the chart, even you can see कितने बड़े-बड़े बिग्स और वोलेटिलिटी कितनी फास्ट है. बहुत ज्यादा वोलेटिलिटी है आज मार्केट में. We want this put dip में हमें buy करना है. If we get this put around 120, 130 level, it will be very good for us. In that case, the risk reward is very favorable. If अगर नीचे नहीं आता है, then we will go for the 78,400 in that case. Right now, I am tracking both. Hmm. 78,400 put is trading around 120, right? So as of now, 78,500 trading around 190. 220 का high बनाया था few minutes back and at back to 190 level. We want this put around 130, 135. अगर 125, 130 के आसपास मिलता है तो थोड़ा सा बेटर रहेगा. Because अगर थोड़ा सा मूव आया है तो ऊपर चढ़ के बाय करने में कोई सेंस नहीं है, राइट? यू कैन सी ऑन द चार्ट जो आज बिग है कैंडल से कितने बड़े बड़े, थोड़ा ऊपर भी जाता है बट ऊपर टिक नहीं पाता है, तुरंत नीचे आ रहा है वहां से. So today you have to very quick in the entry and as well as in the exit as well.
Guys, I can see questions are coming in. We will take up the questions after we get a trade, and when we have shifted our focus from the expiry. The reason we are here is the expiry for Sensex, right? अगर हम आपकी queries अभी नहीं ले रहे तो you can drop it on Stockholm and we'll be happy to revert there. But yes, we'll share a BTSC towards the end of the session.
We are seeing some spike in the India VIX as well in this week. India VIX is up by more than 15% in this week. last 4-5 दिन की बात करूँ तो, and that's one of the reason कि थोड़ा सा जो volatility market में हुई है, it is also one of the reason for that. So the 78,500 put trading at the 185 level, and the 78,400 is not one level, 100 level के आसपास है. On the weekly chart of the Nifty, the inside bar breakdown is there, and forming complete a bearish engulfing candle. So this indicate that the selling may continue in the coming week as well. I'm waiting for some bounce in the Nifty and Sensex so that we can initiate the trade. Nifty is holding nearest 200 DEMA. The 200 DEMA is at 23,690. ऐसा ऊपर से कूलिंग हुआ है. That put is came down to 175 level. और थोड़ा सा टिप चाहिए हमें. $170 हुआ है. If we get that around, जैसे मैंने बताया कि अगर ये हमें 130 के आसपास मिलता है, so it will be very good for us. Some sort of bounce in the index.
So if we buy at 130, what will be the target and stop loss?
Anuj, the stop loss will be 70 and the target is around 200.
So guys, we have the trade with us, Sensex 78,500 put, buying at 120 to 130, 130, stop loss 70, target 200. So Nuriji, this is Sensex expiry. So we are not giving any trade on Nifty as of now. We're focusing on Sensex only.
Yeah, for Nifty, we have shared the levels. We can go to the levels. So the put is going back to 190. It came down to 170. We will wait for a couple of minutes. Otherwise, we will shift to the other strike. we'll wait for a few minutes more. And if the अगर नीचे नहीं आता है, if we didn't get any kind of down the option premium, then we'll shift to the next strike. Again, Nifty back to the day low. आया है फिर से प्रीमियम में. I think हमें शायद शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा to the 78,400 level, 78,400 strike. I'm tracking both 78,500 170 से 210-220 हुआ है, right? So better to shift to the 78,400 strike.
So guys, we are tracking two strikes as of now. 78,500 and 78,400 put, correct, sir?
Right, right.
We have to be very patient, guys. काफी बार सेंसेक्स में हमने लास्ट 3 मिनट में ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट किया है and we have booked profits. Right, so you have to be very patient. Meanwhile, sir, while you are tracking, I don't want to disturb it, but if you can share the BTST, that would be great.
Anuj, as the market is in downtrend, so we'll go for the STBT. One more, the stock on the radar is a Havels, right?
Got it, sir.
Havels future one can sell at a 1671. December future I am talking about 1671. The stop loss will be 1701, and the target will be around 1620. So guys, do one thing. Let's buy the 78,400 put because momentum is there. We'll go to 78,400. काफी momentum है इसमें, right? It made a high of 260 and back to 160 level. So let's buy this 78,400 put.
So what will be the target and stop loss?
Yeah, Anuj, the stop loss will be around 100 level, 145 हुआ है, right? So buy at the current price 140, 145 के आसपास, and stop loss will be 100. और ऊपर में target will be around 200, 220, 250 level.
So guys, the buying price is 145, target is 200 and second target will be 250. If there's any change, if you have to book partial profits or exit early, हम आपको clearly बता देंगे.
Already हमारे price से 10-15 पॉइंट का swing आ चुका है. So as I said, today you have to be very quick to in entry and in exit as well. Once 117 हुआ है. I will share the chart of the same.
Yes sir, I was gonna say that next की chart हमारी previous
Yes,
strike
yes,
का
I
है.
am sharing the same.
It's trading at 182 right now.
Yeah, that's massive. काफी अच्छा मोमेंटम है. 145 पे हमने इनिशिएट किया था, राइट.
One
182 हुआ है. 175, 180. Guys, do one thing. Start booking the profits. Already 30-40 पॉइंट का स्विंग आ गया है.
there's partial profits book करना start करिए and keep hold. like आपने 10 लॉट लिए हैं तो आप 5 यहाँ पे बुक कर सकते हैं. we'll be holding the other 5. Great
And
Immerse, you need a total of 3000.
the stop loss was 100, so trade the stop loss to 120 now. The premium is 185 now. So 145 to 185 in just a couple of minutes.
Guys, we have changed the stop loss to 120. That is the update. We have shared it, we have pinned it. It's trading at 180.
181, 183.
Mona Lisa ji, when it was 140, तब हमने buy करने के लिए बोला था between 140 to 145. At 250, it made a low of 142.30.
178 के आसपास ट्रेड हो रहा है अभी.
I hope all of you have booked partial profits to decrease the risk. I can see stock queries are coming. Mostly, guys, we won't be taking any stock queries today because focusing on that trade because momentum volatility काफी ज़्यादा है. We are tracking that, so you can drop your queries on Stockholm. We will be answering there after the session.
170, 175 के आसपास ट्रेड होते दिख रहा है अभी भी. स्टार्ट में ही मैंने बताया कि टुडे की आज काफी ज्यादा वोलेटिलिटी है. यू हैव टू वेरी क्विक इन द एंट्री एंड द एग्जिट बिकॉज प्रीमियम की मोमेंटम है वो बहुत फास्ट है. यू कैन सी इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 216 बिफोर वी इनिशिएट द ट्रेड. इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 216. वहां से इमीडिएट 160 हो गया था. सो बहुत फास्ट मोमेंटम है आज. वन 177, 181, 84.
It made a high of 192, I guess.
Yes, it
Nitin
made a
ji,
high of 192.
Nitin ji, at 250, the price was to 142.30, I guess. आप check कर सकते हैं. 142.30 at 250.
और नितिन जी उसके पहले भी मैंने एक्चुअली बता दिया था कि हमें बाय करना है बोल के. अनुज बिफोर जो प्राइस पूछ रहा था उसके पहले ही मैंने बोल दिया था कि हमें इनिशिएट करना है ट्रेड.
Correct, correct.
यस. 145, 150, 155 बिकॉज मोमेंटम इतना है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बैट 145. सो आप वो 10 पॉइंट के रेंज में बाय कर सकते थे उसे. सो 192 का हाई बना है. ऑलमोस्ट जो फर्स्ट टारगेट था ऑलमोस्ट हिट हुआ है.
Guys, I hope everybody has trailed the stop loss to 120 from 100. Narayan ji entered at 100, exited at 180. Congratulations, आपने 80 point capture किए हैं direct.
182, 183. 185, 193 का हाई बनाया था very recent.
Sir, can we enter now?
No, because it's almost 3 o'clock, Anuj, right? And यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा सा भी निफ्टी नीचे आता है या सेंसेक्स नीचे आता है ना, तो इसका प्रीमियम बहुत फास्ट डिके हो जाएगा. सो बेटर कि और आप जो काम करिए, और एक जो हमने 120 पे ट्रेल किया था ना, ट्रेल टू 140, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि हमारा कोई लॉस हो आज.
Guys, हमारा बाइंग प्राइस ही हमारा स्टॉप लॉस है. We don't want any losses. We have updated the
ऑलमोस्ट
trade.
40-50 पॉइंट का स्विंग आया है. वी विल वेट फॉर कपल ऑफ मोर मिनट्स, एंड अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा स्विंग नहीं आता तो विल बुक द प्रॉफिट एट द करंट लेवल, राइट?
Nishan ji entered at 94, booked at 175. Almost 80 points capture किए इन्होंने यहाँ पे. That's great. I hope बाकी सबने partial profits तो book कर ही लिया होगा. Correct, हनुमान जी, 40 points book कर लिए हैं हमने already.
Thank you so much, Imran ji, for such lovely words. East or West, Madhu sir is the best. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope I'm adding some value.
Definitely, sir, you are.
165 के आसपास ट्रेड होते हुए नजर आ रहा है. So better to book the profit. नीचे आया है थोड़ा सा, अभी भी हमारे बाइंग रेंज के ऊपर ही है. So let's book the complete profit.
Guys, partial profits में आपने पहले book कर लिया है. अपने जो बाकी बचे हैं, you can book and exit now. So overall your trade would end in a profit. Starting में हमने कुछ 40 points capture किए, and right now we are around like 15, 10 to 15 points के
10
reach
to
में है
15
अभी.
point, yes.
Correct. Please book your profits and exit. We don't want to risk much. And जो risk takers हैं, who has the risk appetite, I guess they can hold on till 3.
Yes, yes. For more 2 minutes.
Nishaji, can you please ping once again after the session? I'll be happy to revert. Guys, it's again back to 173. जिसने book नहीं किए वो book कर सकते हैं अभी.
After a long time, we have the good expiry.
Correct,
दो-तीन
sir,
expiry
correct.
में momentum बहुत अच्छा था, but we were not able to capture the momentum. Right, back to 190 level, 195, 200.
First target is hit.
Yeah, the 220, 225. So I hope all the targets are hit now. किसी ने पहले भी book नहीं किया रहेगा तो one can book the profit. It's 220, 225.
Guys, let's not take risk. Please book your profits and exit now. Book 100% profit. And book 100% of your trades. Partial अभी hold ना कीजिए. That's our suggestion. It made a high of
All the
225, I guess, right, sir?
29.
229, okay.
Yes, yes. And अभी भी high पे ही खड़ा है. So let's book the profit.
I hope everybody has booked a good profit today, and I guess finally we had a good Sensex expiry after a while. It was a
Yes,
good
yes.
expiry, even
240, 244, Anuj.
I guess हमारा second target पे hit हो ही जाएगा. It's almost 3, guys. We have already suggested to exit at 229.
Right.
And it made a high of 240.
Almost हमारे buying price से 90 पॉइंट का swing आ चुका है. It's a kind of that expiry जो हमारे 3-4-5 expiry पहले हुआ था, right?
हमारा second target hit हो चुका है, sir. By the way, it's 250.
Yes, yes, it's trading at the 260, 270 level now, 273. So I hope, guys, you made some ample money, and it's 300 now.
That's great, sir. That's great. I hope ऐसा ही हमारे साथ आज शाम को 6 बजे हो in the commodity expiry, and it was great to have you, sir. Hoping to see you soon for the monthly census expiry next week.
Sure, sure, yes.
Thank you everyone. Please book your profits and exit the trade. जो risk लेते हैं, they can still churn and do their own analysis and take a decision. But we have already asked you all to exit the trade at 239. Thank you everyone.
Bye bye. Your